friends, thanks for stopping by to check this YouTube channel. Do you want your teeth to be so white, just as you can see on the screen? You are at the right place. I know we have done several things to try make our teeth white. For me, I have used several toothpastes and later realized that some toothpastes cause more harm than good. There are some toothpaste you use and you will realize that you are having plaques on your teeth. Plaque is a sticky film constantly formed on teeth, usually bacteria in nature. Bacteria in plaque produce acids after you eat or drink. These acids can terminate tooth enamel and cause gum disease. Plaque can also develop under the gums on tooth roots and destroy the bones that support teeth. You can prevent plaques hygienically by watching what you eat, brushing your teeth regularly, using tartar-controlled toothpaste with fluoride, and avoid smoking. Before using a product, you need to know some facts about it. So here are the things you need to know about hydrogen peroxide and baking powder. Well, here are things you need to watch out for while using baking powder. While baking powder is great at removing built-up plaque and surface stains from the teeth, it can as well damage your enamel if you brush with it too aggressively. Don't overuse the product. Don't use baking soda for whitening purposes more than 2 times a week. If it's overused, it can cause tooth sensitivity and increase the risk for cavities. So please be very careful when you brush your teeth. Also, I would need you to know why hydrogen peroxide is good for teeth whitening. Hydrogen peroxide is a cheap household product you probably have on hand right now. When used properly and carefully, it can be an effective way to whiten the teeth. But if used incorrectly in concentrations that are too high, or if used too frequently, it can cause serious tooth damage. So in order to avoid these bad side of these products, you will need to follow the right proportions to have a good result and to also keep your teeth safe. 1. Take 2 spoons of hydrogen peroxide and pour it into a small bowl. 2. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and add it to the bowl of hydrogen peroxide and mix properly. 3. Make a paste with it using your toothbrush to brush and use water to rinse properly. 4. Do this 2 times a week and you will notice a great change in your teeth from color to white. Please do well to subscribe, like the video, comment your answers always at the comment box, share the video and click the notification box to get notified when we upload a new video. I am glad you are here. Thank you.